Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachna and I'm an Indian living in the US. So today I'm going to be meeting with a friend in the 1 year back. So I've already done my makeup, you guys. So I have uploaded a video on this full B makeup look. Please do check it out, and I have given the link on the description box below. So let's get into the full look. About this outfit, this is an outfit I got from India, a store called Zudio. So I will link such t-shirts in my description box below from all of the stores that you can purchase it from. And this jeans is from H&M. It fits really well on me, guys. I love such fitted jeans. So this is this little back dress I'm gonna be wearing today. So I got this dress off H&M like a month ago. So I'm really excited to wear this on me. Let's see how it goes. Oh my goodness, you guys, this dress looks gorgeous. A little black twist never goes wrong. So this is the dress I'm gonna be wearing today. This looks gorgeous. Yes, this is a full sleeve dress, but I'll just pull the sleeves right up just to give it an elevated look. How do I look, you guys? And look at the makeup, you guys. It's a full B makeup, and this is gonna be my look for today. So I'm gonna be styling it with some jewelry. So let's see what jewelry I'm gonna be wearing today. I'm already wearing this evil eye necklace, and I'm gonna be pairing it with this Swarovski swan necklace. Unfortunately, this is not an original Swarovski, but someday I'm gonna get an original Swarovski. A necklace, I got it from Forever 21. I will link it in the description box below and you can check it out. So let's pop this necklace right on. Oh, this looks gorgeous. I'm already wearing an earring today. So this is a silver earring from a store nearby. I do not remember, but if I do find any similar products, I will link it in the description box below. Let's pop something on to my hands as well. So today I'm going to be wearing a Vancouver bracelet. So this is a multi-colored bracelet. Just pop this right onto my hand. I feel proud of myself because I have such an eye on beautiful products. Yes, so this is what you're working with. Now let's just finish off this look by adding some perfume. I'm gonna be using the Bath & Body Works You Are the One perfume. This is a body mist actually, so you can put it on your body as well. So these are the points that I apply my perfume on. Oh my goodness, I smell like strawberries. I'm done. So I'm not gonna do much to my hair. It's just gonna be natural. Guys, I hope you guys like this look. I love this look. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope you like my video. If you want more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Please do comment on what types of videos you would like to see next. I love you.
No, you're that girl.
Yeah.
You just have no choice but to be that girl. And I feel like I'm that girl.
What if you don't wake up feeling like that girl? How do you be that girl?
You need to go back to sleep and wake back up again so you can feel like that girl.